Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome to The Johnson Show. This Johnny Depp and Amber Heard case has been all over the media.
And on my side of the bed was human fecal matter.
My dog stepped on a bee.
I know a lot of you probably think that we shouldn't give so much attention to these people. However, it is one of the most entertaining pieces of content in recent history. Anyways, here we go. The other day, I watched the new Doctor Strange movie, so I got the idea to do a superhero style movie poster. Once again, I do this all live, so if you want to join in on the fun, feel free to come in anytime. Then I decided to make the title treatment. I actually did this off stream, so I don't have a sped up video of it, but I'll quickly show you the layers and effects. By the way, since you're watching this, it would really help me out if you hit the subscribe button. It's free for you, and I know my content is still a little scrappy, but it will get better, I promise. Thank you. The rest of the video is basically me reshading the artwork and playing with lighting. I added myself into the poster because I needed an extra character and couldn't find one. However, Johnny's new lawyer was a great addition to the team, so I ended up removing myself from the final poster. At this point, I realized that I actually got the wrong Ben. So, sorry Ben. So that's all for today. Once again, thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button. If you have any questions or if there's anything else you would like to see, please leave a message in the comment section. Peace. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. Please subscribe.